I made an incredible $200,000 in just 12 months through tax liens, and today, I'm going to reveal my exact strategy to you. Many people are skeptical about such claims, but I believe in transparency. Here, you can see a glimpse of the financial proof, with sensitive information carefully blurred for privacy. This isn't about luck, it's about a systematic approach. These statements reflect consistent gains, demonstrating the power of a well-executed tax lien investment strategy. The key to scaling these returns lies in understanding and implementing a robust portfolio approach. Quantity truly matters when it comes to tax liens. Instead of focusing on just a few high-value liens, my strategy involves acquiring a larger number of smaller, carefully selected tax liens. This diversification minimizes risk and maximizes the potential for consistent returns across various properties and jurisdictions. Think of it like building a strong foundation. Each lien is a brick, and the more solid bricks you have, the more resilient your structure becomes. This approach allows for a steady stream of interest income, even if a few liens don't pan out exactly as planned. Now, let's delve into the fascinating balance between the interest earned from these liens and the properties that are actually acquired through foreclosure. The primary goal is always to earn the high interest rates offered by tax liens, which can be incredibly lucrative on their own. However, a small percentage of these liens may eventually lead to acquiring the underlying property, which presents another significant opportunity. This dual potential is what makes tax lien investing so powerful. Consistent income from interest with the added upside of real estate acquisition. My strategy focuses on maximizing interest income, treating property acquisition as a bonus rather than the primary objective. This mindset helps manage expectations and ensures profitability even without taking ownership of properties. Understanding the balance between these two outcomes is crucial for long-term success in this niche market. Now, let's talk about the critical selection criteria and due diligence checklist I use to identify profitable tax liens. First, I prioritize liens on properties with a clear market value and in desirable locations, minimizing the risk of acquiring undesirable assets. My due diligence involves thorough research into property history, outstanding taxes, and any other encumbrances. This meticulous process ensures that every lien I bid on has a high probability of either yielding significant interest or becoming a valuable property. To help you get started, I've created an ROI calculator template that you can use to evaluate potential tax lien investments. This template simplifies the complex calculations, allowing you to quickly assess the profitability of various scenarios. Download it today and start making informed decisions. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe for more insights into alternative investments. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this, empowering you to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the world of tax liens.